Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and I'm going to start this project off with this piece of unfinished wood. It's just a block of wood that I got at Dollar Tree, and I am going to cover it with my antique wax. And I did all around the whole sign, including the ends and the back. I'm just quickly going over it, and on the ends where it's rough like that, I just kind of dab it in. Once I have it all on there, if you want, you can take a baby wipe or a paper towel or a rag and wipe off some of the excess, and that helps it dry faster, but can also take some of the darkness away from it. So depending on how light or dark you want your wood, I kind of wanted mine a little bit darker for this, so I didn't wipe any of it off. So while that is drying, I'm going to set that aside, and I had this heart that I got at Hobby Lobby, and it's in that section that has all the like cutouts that are already colored and designed. And I grabbed this heart. It was only 99 cents. And I'm just going to paint this white. And I'm just using white chalk paint for this. And I gave it 2 coats. Once I had the 2 coats on, I am going to take my sander and just lightly go around the edge and pull out some of that red that's on the background that we covered up. But I only want that showing on the edges, so just barely there. And once I have that all pulled out, I am going to take that and I'm going to hot glue the heart right to the center of our stained wood. And then I am going to take some twine, and I took a whole bunch of it. And then I'm just going to start wrapping the twine around the sign and just kind of looping it back and forth. So just going from the front to the back, then the front again and around the back, and then bringing it back to the front. And then I'm going to tie it in a knot, and then I'm going to run this key through it. And then I'm going to tie that key on there and then tie a bow. And I'm going to mess with my bow a little bit and try and get it to sit correctly with the key. If you need to, you can put a little dot of hot glue behind the bow to kind of make it so that it stays straight, which is what I ended up doing because my twine was just not working with me. So I ended up just kind of pulling the bow straight and just putting a littlest, tiniest piece of hot glue behind it and making it stay. And that is it for this project. I like the simplicity of this. I love the contrast of the white with the dark wood. It's one of my favorite looks. And this could be used all year round, not just Valentine's Day. So that makes me love it even more. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.